Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if your Hotstar is not working. So when you are opening your Hotstar app on your phone, so this type of irritating error you are facing. Hotstar is not responding. As you can see guys, same error I also facing. So finally I have got the easy and simple solutions to fix this error. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of error guys, first you need to close your app. Just here you can get the option close app. Just tap on it. It will close your Hotstar app. After this guys, now what you need to do, first you need to check your internal storage. If the internal storage is not free, at that time guys, you can 100% face this type of error on your phone. So first you need to check and free up your internal storage. After doing this guys, it will fix your problem 100%. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem guys, you can follow next method. So as you can see guys, now my problem was solved. Still you are facing same type of problem guys, you can follow next method. Open your Google Play Store and here you need to search Hotstar. Okay, if the app update was available, just you need to update your app. After updating, it will also fix your problem. Still, in case after updating your problem was not solved, you can try next method. Open your phone settings, go to apps and notification. From here you need to open Hotstar and here go to storage, clear the caches and clear the storage. If you are clearing your Hotstar storage, it may log out your account from the Hotstar. So remember this thing guys. So just clear your storage. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one time. After restarting, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solutions to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.